Iran News Live Update. Crash kills Iran's president, sending gold to record high. Gold hit historic highs after Iran's president died in a helicopter crash. After the plane crashed in northwest Iran, Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian, and all other passengers died. Bullion rose 1.1 PC to $2,440.59 an ounce. His death increased Middle East tensions, observers say, making the metal, a safe haven in times of crisis, more appealing. Oil stayed at $84 a barrel, indicating that investors were less concerned about upheaval. Nicholas Frappel, global head of institutional markets at ABC Refinery in Sydney, said, Iran concern drove gold surge. There is sure to be an element of leaping to conclusions on very little information. Gold is also rising amid expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will drop interest rates twice this year after inflation fell below expectations last week. The dollar-priced precious metal gained support. Oil rises following Iran helicopter crash. After the crash that killed Iran's president, oil prices rose. After the plane crashed in Iran's East Azerbaijan region, Brent crude jumped 0.4 PC to $84.33, a one-week high. Saudi Arabia might disrupt the Middle East. The King's Health forced Prince Mohammed bin Salman to postpone a 4-day trip to Japan. The cancellation came after the Saudi press agency stated that Prince Mohammed's father, King Salman bin Abdulaziz, will receive antibiotics at Al Salam Palace in Jeddah for lung inflammation. MBS is next in line to the throne and runs most kingdom operations. According to ING Commodities strategy head Warren Patterson, the massive amount of spare OPEC production may be making the market insensitive to geopolitical developments. To break out of the range, OPEC Plus may need to clarify its output policy. UK markets rise before inflation data. Investors expect significant inflation numbers this week that could lead the Bank of England to slash interest rates, sending the FTSE 100 higher. UK Blue Chip Stock Index increased 0.2 PC to 8,440.50 and mid-cap FTSE 250 rose 0.4 PC to 20,831.97. As expected, Wednesday's inflation numbers will indicate a dramatic reduction toward the Bank of England's 2 PC target. Meadowhall Shopping Centre's value halves after British Land deal. British Land sold its ownership in one of Britain's most iconic shopping complexes for £360 million, having its worth in less than a decade. The commercial property developer sold its Meadowhall Shopping Centre stake to Norway's sovereign wealth fund. The agreement values the 200-acre Meadowhall estate, near to the M1 motorway, at £734 million, including the £7 million land sale earlier this year. Norway's National Wealth Fund bought a 50% share in the shopping centre in 2012 for £1.5 billion. British Land said the sale was part of its plan to invest in retail parks instead of covered shopping malls. British Land CEO Simon Carter said, Norges and we have worked well together for years, and we are pleased to remain as centre asset managers. After Meadowhall's sale, 93% of our property is in retail parks, universities, and London urban logistics.